we are working on a brand which can be popularized. Either it can be your own brand, your own business, your own venture, uh, or it can be a friends or relatives or anything that you wish to work on. Essentially, we can start by coining a name. Coining a name, we did a random exercise. Like I think Adikshita, we did it with you or with Sia. We took a dictionary and picked up 5 words.
I did it. I did it.
Yeah, with Adikshita, we did that. Yeah. So, and then we find a lateral thinking method where we connect disconnected letters or words and take inspiration from the words. So, whenever we are stuck about ideation, we use a different set of mind, which is called lateral thinking. And it has got very randomness in that. There's not structure, but then it becomes a structure. So that's and in writing SIA, you need to use this lateral thinking a lot. Okay. So try to read Edward de Bono's lateral book on lateral thinking. Okay. It may be available online also. Just read that. Okay? Yeah, Covid.
So actually, my mother reads both of his books,
Oh,
one on
okay.
lateral thinking and
Yeah.
one on how to make your child think.
How
So,
to make a
how to make your child think.
okay. How to make a child.
So, if you're like a teacher or you're a parent or someone, so how to make your student think.
So
So, like that, how to think.
so Sia can gift it to Satya.
What?
You can gift that book to your mom. How to make your child. How to make your child think.
He doesn't read books actually.
Legendary. Okay. Anyway, so COVID, do you have a business in mind, a name in mind, or you want to start from scratch? Last time we had done some logo in the earlier classes, earlier sessions, but that was
So,
very,
I have one logo in mind. It's
yeah,
like a newspaper. Okay, and there's a newspaper, and then it has a big news logo. You know that news.
yeah.
And then on top of that's real news. So like, real news network.
And you
Like
want to
yeah.
publish it where? On the public social media platform, or you want to print it and publish?
Uh, for social media, but then it won't work because nobody looks at on social media. Everybody they just go to the web browser, then they search news. They don't read the newspaper.
Yeah.
So it won't make sense if you use the social media if they don't even look at the newspaper.
Okay. So what we learned today is called a SWOT analysis. Okay, can you take a piece of paper, divide into 4 quadrants? Okay, just a normal sketch, your notebook paper, and divide into 4 quadrants, one vertical line, one horizontal line, dividing the 4 parts. So based on how to solve COVID's idea or anyone's idea, we can use something called SWOT, SWOT analysis.
So can you repeat what you said? Take a paper and then.
Yeah, I'll just show it on my iPad so there's no confusion. Okay, I'm going to share my screen. So what I do is I divide into 4 quadrants. My S, this is my W, my O, and this is my T. This is to solve problems, solve business problem, life problem, marketing problem, branding problem, new business startup problem. So any kind of problem, if you want to analyze, you do this technique. Yeah. So if you're stuck miserably in something and you don't know how to head in that direction, this will help you to solve all your problems. So what is S? S stands for the strengths. Okay. W stands for the weakness. O stands for opportunity or opportunity. How do you spell in American English? Opportunity. Opportunity. And T stands for threats. So it's called the SWOT analysis. Now we will discuss what COVID has a problem. Okay, it doesn't have a problem, but it is perceived as a solution that the newspaper which he wants to publish uh, is like a online thing or a offline. That means will he print it and publish it, or whether he will use it on a blog platform or a web platform and he will publish regularly. So few questions we can ask COVID. Okay, now COVID is our client and we are an agency. All others are agency. Devaj, you are an agency. Adikshita and Sia, we all belong to one agency. We are going to ask COVID a set of questions about his business. Okay, you can make your own notes on a separate page while you ask. So you can shoot questions now to COVID. You can ask any silly question, anything that you want to know, because we want to advertise his new business. We want to reach out once he starts creating his brand. Yeah, Devaj.
What is your business about?
How will you make money? Like, is it a money making business or is it just a,
No, not like that. Means what is he doing in his
yeah.
business?
Okay, so describe your business.
So actually, can I change the
Yeah, you
business?
can. Yeah, you can.
Okay. So I want to make newspapers which give out the real news. Like they don't just make some fake news. Like uh, popular
Um,
news TV stations make. So some of that is fake news. But I want to get out the real news. So by selling newspapers, uh, not having shows where they scream at the person and then they force the person to understand.
okay. So, are you saying that you are trying to market, like you are trying to sell the newspapers, or are you gathering all the information from others and editing it into the paper?
Gathering the news from others, editing the news, making sure it's all proper, like it's real news, and that none of it is fake, and then republishing it by giving them the, if they needed, the proper credits.
All of you can brainstorm, okay? Don't stop. Adikshita, keep asking questions. Sia, ask questions.
Thinking.
So where exactly are you going to sell newspapers?
Easy, India. And then once we start making money, then we'll move on to the rest of the world.
So is it free?
Like how Times of India makes you pay for 3 rupees for one paper, 4 rupees for another paper. Just like that, we're going to make you pay very less, or you can buy subscription.
Okay.
I have another question. Are you going to add any controversies about any topics?
No, because then people will start. They'll start viewing the news network wrong. They'll say that this is not proper. So there'll be no controversies. Only plain simple news.
Okay. Okay.
So why should people buy your newspaper?
Because other newspapers have controversies and everybody's the conflict is two-sided. So one person will support another side, the other person will support another side, and then they'll start fighting. That lead to violence. So reading some um, instead of reading some news which will make you feel sad, why don't you just read proper, like some news which weather report in say Dubai is there's it's clear weather, there's nothing going to happen. Or instead of reading there's someone who's been shot and someone has been killed and someone destroyed a school or something, everybody will start thinking, oh god, what happened? So instead of making people feel sad, you just make them feel happy that the weather in their city is proper, not that something happened and then they're going to be so sad.
Can I ask
How
a
do you
question?
how do you plan to make your newspaper famous?
First, I have a blog, so I'll promote it on my blog, and then uh, at first I will have ads because that's what every newspaper has. It has ads on their blog, and then after we make some money, we will stop using ads and we will just start promoting. Like um, if you have seen that whenever you go to say a metro station, over there are people taking videos of those journalists, and they're talking to people, they're just common people, and they're asking them what is going to happen, and then we get that information, we write it down in the newspaper, and then uh, we publish it.
So is it like a people-driven content?
Yes, and it's going to happen every weekend, not every day. So if you have any information, that's all going to be saved, and you'll get like an entire book. Not like a book, but something like a book. It's going to be thick.
Okay.
I have
So,
two
example, if this is the Times of India, then it's going to be this thick, like two times this.
Lot of information.
I have two questions. The first question is, how will you compete with like the juggernauts like Times of India, Mumbai Mirror?
So we know that Times of India is verified, but there are, if you see, the Times of India has separate journalists. Like example, if I show you that uh, um, a car bomb blast kills 8, injures 47, a separate journalist has written it. No one has clarified if it's verified or not. So no one knows that if it's real. Okay, if it's real, then is it proper? Is that are really 8 people dead, or is it maybe like one person fell off and something happened? So is the proper information given? And after all, it's a negative, so it's something sad. So no, it won't be there in the newspaper. And
Can I ask a question?
I'm just answering Deva's question.
I
Okay.
had two questions.
Since nobody likes, like very few people like reading negative news, most people will want to go into a positive newspaper. Like my parents and I, we don't read the Sunday Times first page because it's all about terrorism and violence. But if you look at the last few pages about sports, or you look about business, economics, you just read 4 or 5 pages of an entire 12-page newspaper which you have paid your hard-earned money for. So why don't you just pay for that much you're reading, and not for this violence and everything which you're not even going to read?
I have a doubt about the violence and all. If you add just a bit of news, now in the newspaper it shouldn't be all rainbows and sunshine. What you're saying is absolutely right, that we should read the positive news.
Yes, but see, some violence should, like there should be some news about some violence, not like an entire like 3 4 pages about violence. Maybe just one page which says sad world news, or unhappy affairs in the world,
I'm
and
getting.
how there'll be a solution of how we can overcome it. Or the newspapers, they just tell you that this person did this and that person did that, but there's no solution of how that person can overcome it, or how can we as a people, how we people can be safe from that person who's being
Okay.
that violent.
Without telling any false news, not false news. Without telling any sad news or something like that, there won't be any awareness. For
Uh,
Yeah, I'm back. Yeah, my internet was down.
hello.
Yeah, I'm back. I'm back. I'm back. I'm back. Can you see?
I can see.
So
so, like I was saying, nobody wants to have like 4 pages dedicated to negative news. Maybe just one page dedicated is okay.
Yeah.
Some people will read it, some people won't.
Yeah.
They won't be paying for it, of course, because nobody likes negative news. Like, do you like negative news?
I
No.
don't like negative news, but I would like some news about any local conflicts. So we'll be safe and we'll be informed about what happens.
Of course, there'll be local conflicts too, like about a park or something. Someone wants to build a park, someone wants to build a lake. So that will be same dedicated in that same world affairs, and then local affairs. So it won't be negative. It just be okay. This
Be
happened, that
aware.
happened. This is how we can overcome it, and stay safe like that.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah. Adikshita, your question, please.
So if there is like um little values, you should give a gist of it, right? Or else it won't be real news.
Can you repeat your question, please?
Like you said that there will not be much of negative news, but you should at least give a gist of it because or else it won't
Yeah,
be
so
real
one
news.
page will be dedicated to all the world affairs, like someone doing something wrong, and
Okay.
then on the other page it will be local affairs. So,
Okay.
example, I live in a village, and I want to know what's happening in the nearest city. So
Hmm.
I'll get that newspaper from the nearest city. So to know what's happening in that, like, a city, there's a district, right? In India, there's a district of that
Yeah.
city. So you'll get to know what happens in that district, what was happening
Okay.
in, say, Mumbai, what's happening in Delhi, what's happening in Kolkata.
Okay.
What he's saying is, if there is one page dedicated for a negative news, he also has a solution.
So there'll be one page negative news. After that, there's a solution page.
Okay.
So people don't have to worry about their safety.
So, what kind of language will you use for the newspapers? I mean, not everybody knows English.
There'll be one English newspaper like Times of India, and then I don't know any Hindi newspapers, but there'll be one Hindi newspaper. And if you don't know Hindi, then mm in your state, whatever language, like example in Maharashtra, if you don't know Hindi and you don't know English, then you can read the Marathi newspaper. If you are in Tamil Nadu, you can read the then regional newspaper. So it'll be local language, and you can opt for it. You don't have to buy all three. Just opt for whichever you want.
Yeah.
So
Excellent.
is it okay if I just have some water and come?
Yeah, yeah, sure. Our agency is very like they are very good in brainstorming.
So rapid fire question.
Good work, guys. You have asked what a professional asks in real meeting. So you are there, and I think a lot of inputs that you have asked for. See the notes that I've made. Can you see that? So my way of taking notes is through related lists or some star markings, which I then can go back. Now let COVID come back and I'll show you the magic which I've done with this note taking ability. And because of this ability, I've got millions of projects from clients just because I can take notes very nicely. Now, COVID has answered a few questions, but when I go back to my agency and sit with my team, I want to debrief. Now, this is a briefing that we have got, right? We try to understand. There could be 10 other questions still pending, but this is a format in which we ask questions. Who is a competitor? Why are we doing this? What are our unique differentiators? How are we different from others? Okay, how much does it cost? Will it be in multiple languages? What are the, so these are the standard questions which even a professional who has been trained for 5 years in business management will ask the same questions which you have asked. So you don't have to be an MBA to be everything, right? Just by using your intelligence, you know what questions can come up. Now, the magic here is I have written it in a tool which allows me to do this. So for example, I go here. Uh,
And I find for its sake, and then republish Chinese by the best needed the proper credits.
so suppose now I want, and I have recorded this whole meeting, okay, on this tool called Notability. Okay, it's an app on the iPad. It's there on other desktops also, and I think on Android also.
So could you repeat the name of the app? I could not hear.
Called Notability.
Yeah.
So I'll go from there. You can see here on the right hand side, the blue icon one. Okay, now what I've done is I've recorded the audio and also written notes. Now suppose
You start thinking, oh God,
I can go to a note
I've done that now.
and wherever I have written the audio which is in synchronization to that. That means when I wrote the notes, it also marked where that audio is. So something like 30 pages. He said lot of info, 30 pages. He told about that.
The first question is how will you compete with like the juggernauts like Time of India, Mumbai India?
So we know that Times of India is verified, but there are, if you see the Times of India has separate journal.
I have a doubt about the violence and all. If you add just a bit of news in the newspaper, it shouldn't.
So you see that how useful this tool can be. Even in your regular notes taking, you can actually go to a point like an interactive, it becomes an interactive page. Okay, so what if your newspaper is interactive? What if you combine your digital skills, your technology skills, like say Adikshita can do a coding and then Sia can be the editorial writer, Devaj can actually design the illustrations. So you yourself can become the newspaper team, right? While COVID drives the business and he drives the whole concept, so he can actually frame it up, right? So, any questions on this? How did I do this? How is it useful? Do you understand the use of notability? You can keep your mics on, so it's fine.
Yeah. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Uh, and all my meetings with my clients are done through Notability, and when I come back I can recreate a document from the whatever was spoken. For example, when I went to Leela Group of Hotels, they have a chain of hotels across India, and I was working with the marketing head of the hotel, and he had his team of juniors sitting along with me, and he was briefing me about his hotel project, and I was doing this note taking method. And immediately after the meeting, it lasted for an hour. And then after the meeting, I just sat outside in the lobby I typed in whatever I could receive. I had marked everything like a bulleted list, some star marks like this. So I could go back and I could highlight and format it in a Word file exactly the way it can be presented. And within the next 15-20 minutes, I emailed the document to the manager, to the head of marketing, and he came out of his cabin. He looked at me and he called all his 6 employees back to the conference room, and he said that this is what efficiency is all about. This is what you have to be very alert. See this boy, at that time I was a little younger, but he said this boy has actually captured everything that we spoke, and he has put down in a neat document, and he has a very clear focus. And if all of you, he told his employees, if all of you learn this method of note taking, you will do so many things in your life, right? So, and I understood that note taking is something very, very important in a dialogue or in a brainstorming. How we make our notes very useful is how we take it and write it. We do our own markings. We have our. I use this. Unhappy affairs in the world. Use this. I use this divider line to separate out content. Okay, so whenever a topic changes, I draw a horizontal line, and that's how websites are, right? You have blocks of different information, and then there are some highlighters. There are certain things which you can bring out and highlight in a layout. So the same technology we use to write the notes. Okay, so now we go back to our SWOT analysis, which we had done. Now is a time. So let me go back. I don't need this layer. Yeah. So delete this layer. Yeah. So now we have the SWOT analysis. Now the same business, we will now find out what is the strength of COVID, okay, and his business. So we'll see, keep the newspaper business. So does he have is it a new or is it an old one? Is it a new business or is it an old business?
So can you repeat your question?
Yeah, is a newspaper that you idea that you have, is it a new business or a old business you're continuing from somebody, or is it totally new?
It's totally new where we get the news from someone else, like say Times of India. We verify that it's clear.
Yeah,
We write it down in the newspaper, and then at the end we give the credit to Times of India and then the journalist. But if he's written fake news, that's not real. We edit it, and then we don't give the credit to them because they were giving fake news. We just give the credit to the newspaper, not to the journalist.
okay. So it's a new idea, a new format, I would say. Correct. So does it fall into a strength that this is a new idea and it will work, or is it a weakness?
It's actually more on the weakness side because people won't want to buy new papers. They think that it's not verified. So until we get verified, it's still a weakness.
So on the weakness block, you will write down this as a weakness. Okay, what does weakness mean? That being a new idea, it's still a weakness. If it's a weakness, I have to work on it, how to strengthen it. Okay. The idea is anything that falls in the weakness zone, let me mark it in red color. Whatever falls in the weakness zone should be brought into the strength area finally. Then it will work. Right. So we have to work on all the weaknesses which are coming out. So the new idea has to popularize. It has to become a buzzword that we are not fake news, we are real news. Right. So you have to create a campaign to launch the product, to launch the paper, and make it very clear to people that this is something different. Correct. So the solution is to have a launch campaign so that this new idea can be put in the minds of people and create a better awareness and better demand for such news. Because why? people don't like fake news. People don't like sad news. That's why we are bringing in something new. So all those propositions, it's called proposition, has to reach out to the common man or to your target audience. So, okay. So can you now start asking questions from this lens of strength, weakness, opportunity, and threat? So what are the strengths according to you, COVID? Can Sia, Devaj, and Adikshita ask a few questions?
What is the opportunity?
Opportunity is something which people are fed up with fake news. So here's an opportunity to get the real positive news. That's a good opportunity. Okay, it is available right now. People are fed up.
So, what are threats exactly?
Threats are something like a competition. Like is like Devaj asked, uh, how will you compete with say Times of India? They also have a newspaper. How will you? So those kind of threats are there. Maybe tomorrow, someone XYZ will say, "Oh, this is a brilliant idea. Let me also make my own newspaper." So that's also an upcoming competition. That because it's a new idea, there will be people copying it. Correct? So
Yeah.
yeah, so that is a threat. So you ask as many threats that you can list out here. You have to put it down now. Okay. Yeah, Devaj.
Um, sir, my question is not exactly related to one of these strength, weakness, opportunity, and threats.
Yeah.
But I just wanted to ask that when you do decide and when you do collect quite a bit of news,
Yeah.
you'll have to create like a commercial for it. So can you trust other people from outside to make like normally there aren't any commercials for newspapers.
When you
But
say
since this is
commercials,
new,
when you say commercials, is it an ad you're talking about?
yes, sir. It's not normally used in newspapers, but there's no other way people can know that there's a newspaper. Only a few people will know. So, can you trust other people from outside?
Yeah.
And can you hire them to make another commercial? Because they could actually send not spies, but they could send a few
Oh, okay.
people to
Okay. Okay.
um
I got the question. So the question is that can I trust other people who other agency or other producer of a TV commercial or a digital video which will promote my new idea and they will come to know about my new idea because I'll be briefing them, I'll be telling them everything, and especially because it's a launch campaign, I want to keep it top secret, right? So there is a NDA called non-disclosure agreement which you sign up with every supplier. That so Apple does it. Apple, whenever they launch something, they don't reveal what are they launching. Each of their manufacturer, each of their supplier,
So
each of
who?
their
So which company?
Apple. Okay, till the last moment, no one knows which product will come out, what are the specs for each of the product, what is the software. So everything is done on the launch day, everything comes together. But each of their vendor have a non-disclosure agreement. Each of their staff is signing up and they are on the job because they have signed a non-disclosure agreement. Okay. So what COVID can do is create an NDA as a solution. So the threat is that someone may uh, copy it or leak. Okay. They may leak what the business is all about. Now the solution would be to actually do a NDA with them. So now you understand that each of these blocks, you'll find some point we can fill in and there will be a solution for it. And that becomes our business idea, how we make our business work. Are you getting it?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So let's put some strength. What is the strength of the idea or the business? What is the strength? What is a positive thing about it? Okay, my question to COVID, does he have a lot of money to invest?
We start small, and then as we start getting money from investors, then increase our budget.
So currently the thing is it's a small venture. So it falls in the weakness. Okay, although it is a positive thing, but it is a small. If it picks up, then it will grow bigger. We don't know. So it is still a threat. Okay, so can this small venture first be presented to a investor, to a venture capitalist, and you get direct funding? So that becomes a solution, right? So we go for VC, venture capitalist, or an investor, pitch him. So we do a pitch of the idea to investors. And if they like the idea, if you have a prototype, if you have a design ready, if you have one or two or three such periodicals, weekly thing ready as a sample for them to see how it's going to look, then you need a pitch, right? So that will be a solution. Pitch will be the first thing which you will do to a investor, even before starting your business. Got it, COVID? Yeah. Yeah. Next question, opportunity, strength. No one is asking questions right now.
Because I'm not getting any questions.
No, see, you're going to run the whole show as a successful venture, right? You need to ask what is, or you may tell, okay, the strength of COVID is intellectual. The main key guy who is running this show is an intellectual, creative guy. So that's a strength, right?
Yes.
The owner is so if owner is say Abdul Kalam Azad, um, the ex what was he? The Abdul Kalam was the prime minister. No, he was
11th Prime Minister of India, sir.
yeah. So if he was the owner, then we have a strength that he is the most knowledgeable scientist and voracious reader. Those are the strength, right?
Hmm.
So sometimes money becomes a strength. That means I have Times of India as my partner. So that is my strength. Correct.
Hmm.
So I need to know the strength of the brand, strength of the client. So I want you to put down at least 5 or 6 strengths and 5 or 6 weaknesses, 5 or 6 opportunity, and 5 or 6 or more threats also. So then you're thinking like a proper professional. Right now we don't have much information. So from the questions that you had asked earlier, can you fill in the gaps now? What is the strength?
So I have a question.
Yeah.
So it's not about strength, but it's actually about weakness. So
Yeah.
now COVID is intellectual. The owner's intellectual. He has a lot of knowledge and he knows what to do, how
Yeah.
to lead. But the thing is, the people that he's employing.
Yeah.
So it's not going. It's going to the pattern of his company is not going to be like COVID will only decide, right?
Yeah.
Because then the employees can protest and there have to be more. For example, I want to start a business about selling pens.
Yeah.
I cannot expand my imagination because see, COVID has to have business partners, and the business partner that he wants to pair up with, they won't allow him to use the imagination a lot and
Devaj, in every company there is like a board of directors, and they approve what happens in the company.
yes,
So the journalist will take all the information he has of the week, and he will show to the person who's appointed by the board of directors to, like, there'll be a small team, and they will decide what happens, like if it's proper, if it's verified, or it's just making it up. So they'll also have to do their bit of research.
So the verified process of the whole business is the strength, right? That is where we will be banking on the correctness of information, which is approved by the board of directors. So there will be a board of directors heading the business. Okay. That's also a strength, that it's not a lallu panju, it is properly professionally managed. Sia, are you there?
Yes, sir.
You can ask questions. Yeah, you can also say, okay, this is another strength. I feel this is also a strength.
Yeah, I'm trying to think. I'm not so sure.
Yeah. Opportunities. People are tired of fake news, and hence there's a big opportunity for positive news. Also, there's a huge opportunity if we can use eco-friendly uh, material like recycled paper. So that's also an
So can
opportunity,
I give an example of that?
like a recycled paper.
Yes, yes. Now, for example, actually, Lego. I've
Yeah,
heard that Lego is actually planning to instead of the plastic bags
yeah,
containing the pieces, they're
yeah.
actually going to release recyclable paper bags.
Correct, correct. So those are new opportunities which are there because people are becoming more conscious about uh, plastics and about the various. And since we are in the paper business, printing business of newspaper, we have to be careful about the potential problem, okay, of paper wastage. So we work with, say, recycled paper is also a good choice. So the solution could be recycled paper. We can think about ideas based on the opportunity, threat, weakness, and strength. I think you are exhausted with questions and you don't have inputs. You want to give it a break right now, think about it, and come back in the next class with some solutions. And you need to put your own business. You can use this platform. Say Devaj can use for his business, he can create the same questionnaire and people can ask him. The team here can ask him. So it's a constructive kind of discussion that we had. It opened up a lot of ideas for COVID, isn't it, COVID? From your earlier whatever thoughts you had to this one, now you're starting to realize the potential problems and the potential opportunities, the threats which are there, and the strength that you can build upon. Correct? So Adikshita, come on screen. Sia, come on screen and tell me, what did you learn today? What was your experience about the class?
What? What analysis?
Yeah. So what did you understand about it and how was it useful to you? Can you use it?
Yes, it's useful
It was
because
useful.
when you have this thing like you don't know what to do and then you like plan everything organizing.
Yeah. So
So it's kind of neat and it also understandable.
yeah. And does it work with the team or individual? Like you are a team of 4 people. Does it work with
Team,
4 minds on this brainstorming?
I think yes, it can.
Because some people will think only negative, some people will think positive, something people will think logical. So we want different kind of minds to work together, right? And then we come up with a solution.
Hmm. Okay.
Sia, what about you? What do you think about the whole session? What did you learn new? Did you learn something new? Sia, we can't hear you, you're on mute.
I know, sir, but I don't know.
You don't know. How come you can repeat this every time but still you know everything? Was it useful? Was it good enough for thinking?
Uh,
Because
yeah,
everyone started with I don't know on this topic, and now you know a lot, right?
yeah.
Yeah. So when you ask, when you discuss, you will know it. So share what you felt about the classes. Any new tool like the Notability app, was it interesting? Was it useful?
Yeah, it was.
It was useful.
Yeah.
Now we covered up quite a lot of things about how to not open up, but manage your business. Because if you are, suppose in our class there was like Ambani's grandson,
Yeah,
and he wanted to open a business. He has all the money in the world.
correct.
Even with all the money in the world, he couldn't open the business if
Yeah.
he didn't listen to all of this.
Yeah, correct. So that's a good input. So we close with COVID sharing his experience about how he got inputs from all of you.
So the first part, rapid fire, I was really trying to answer as fast as I could.
Ah,
And then when you made this table, I was able to think in a proper kind of like a
great.
uh,
Great.
I could build up on what I was thinking,
Yeah.
and that was the base. Then I could build on it. Like I could make a tower, and that base would be like the broadest. It would all your things which you want to keep in your company,
Correct.
and then you go to the top, which with the most important things. So the top most is there should be no fake news. Everything should be real. Then comes about no
How to-
negative news, and then about the how we'll make money, how we verify the news, and then how will we ask investors, and then the base. So we'll just build upon like a tower.
Excellent. Cool. So with that, we close our session today. It's a lot of thinking that has come out, and I'm happy that all of you have done it very well. So bye. Have a nice Sunday now. Enjoy. Your
Bye, sir. Thank
Bye,
you, sir.
sir.
Okay, sir. Bye, sir. Thank you, sir. Have a great day ahead.
Bye.
Bye, sir.
Bye.